there's not even some homes there on Mexico Beach to restore power to.
Right.
There's nothing left.
That waves and that surge is the biggest force of a hurricane, and this one was a bad one at that. And we saw that with some homes just completely gone.
Yeah.
The wood just
the foundation.
Yeah, just the foundation, the slab there. We are looking at the Holmes Beach webcam. The wave's starting to pick up a little bit too, and you're going to notice that. And also the winds. The winds were a little stronger today. They'll stay brisk tomorrow. And that will bring the possibility of some red tide back on shore for beachgoers as that wind veers more to the west. You didn't see as many today out there on Holmes Beach. But the big changes, we talked about it earlier, the cold front is going to slice on through. This front will eventually take its time, though. It will get through by sunrise on Saturday. And it looks like Saturday will be the best of the 2 days over the weekend, with Sunday, that front coming back as a warm front, producing some showers periodically throughout the day. Speaking of rain and some showers, there's one lone shower right there advancing to the north-northeast. It's holding together a little bit. Expect a brief period of some light rainfall there, possibly on Siesta Key in the next half hour or so as the storm is moving to the northeast at around 10 miles an hour. Elsewhere, things are fairly quiet. We'll keep a 20% chance for some redevelopment here in the Gulf, pushing onshore, but most of it should stay well offshore. This line pretty intense at one point. I'm not anticipating anything severe tomorrow, but I would not be surprised to see a few thunderstorms tomorrow late afternoon and into the evening as the front works through. This is one forecast model showing a nice start to tomorrow, maybe one or two lone showers, but nothing too bad or significant for your commute or drop off for the kids. But then by noontime, not too bad, but by the afternoon, say 3, 4, 5 o'clock, we're going to see this front moving through with some periods of some moderate to heavy rainfall. Looks like in some isolated areas. Not everyone's going to see that. And then the actual secondary front will be behind it. That'll take its time getting through. This is at 9:30. And as we move through time, you see a thin band of showers there. Could continue to pick up right around 5 a.m. But by 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock in the morning, all of it should be out. But it hangs down here, and then it works its way back northward as a warm front. The winds are going to be important. We've had a lot of east winds lately. Now they're going to be out of the west and southwest over the next couple of days. And then as quickly as Sunday, though, those winds will start to veer around more to a northeasterly direction, which will again blow any kind of red tide back offshore if we indeed see it. The forecast tomorrow, as I said, maybe a shower or two scattered about in the morning. It will be a warm start. And then by the 3 o'clock hour, the possibility of showers, mainly with a few isolated thunderstorms, are in the forecast. The GFS forecast model showing that light rain mainly on Friday night and Saturday early morning. And then for Saturday, partly cloudy. Then Sunday, we get a chance for some light to moderate rain throughout the day. Eventually, another front trying to work through on Monday. So quite a progressive pattern as expected over the next several days. Current conditions, we have some clouds and 79. We have a wind out of the south at 10, so the winds are starting to lessen somewhat. The pressure, 2996, that has fallen a little bit. The high today, well, 2 degrees above average at 84. 64 was the morning low. Nationally, behind it, there's an area of high pressure that's diving down into the central U.S. That high pressure will be around here, as I said, just for about one day, and then things start to change a little bit. Temperatures currently in the 40s in places like Chicago, Detroit, Toronto, Cleveland, and 45 in St. Louis. Highs tomorrow, cooler in St. Louis, 47 only in Cleveland and Minneapolis, high of 48 degrees and much warmer here in Florida. For boaters tomorrow, winds will be a little bit on the stronger side. Expect them to be out of the southwest at 15 knots. Some rainfall mainly in the afternoon and evening for boaters. Seas running 2 to 3 feet with a moderate chop out there. The extended forecast then. Up and down we go. 70% chance of rain Friday afternoon and evening. 20% only on Saturday. Cooler. And then on Sunday, a chance for showers and an isolated thunderstorm, but mainly rainfall scattered about throughout the day at times. Temperatures warm up after that, and on Election Day, should be okay weather. Just a slight chance for a few showers. High temperatures warm, though, 87 degrees. Back to you.